match number 28 of the Maharashtra Premier League. 4S Puneri Bappa taking on the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. The 4S Puneri Bappa, the first team to be eliminated. They will not be able to qualify for the playoffs. But we know the first team who have qualified for the playoffs are the Eagle Nashik Titans. Puneri Bappa won the toss and deciding to bowl first. We'll have a look at the playing 11s of both the teams. The starting 11 now, we'll have to call that with the impact player rule also coming in. So there we go, Puneri Bappa, led by Ruturaj Gaikwad, Yash Sagar. There's Abhimanyu Zadav who played that fabulous inning as well. For the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, the leader, Murtuza Trankwala, the Chandu Borde orange cap holder Om Bhosle. There's Onkar Khatpe, Digvijay Patil, Digvijay Zadav. There's the openers, there's Om Bhosle and the skipper, Murtuza Trankwala. 241 runs for him in the season. Vivek Shelar. Here we are, let's play. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings taking on the 4S Puneri Bappa. And straight up, Ruturaj Gaikwad in action. Here we go down the leg side again. Not a good start for Vivek Shelar. Good start for the... Oh yes, nicely swinging back in and gets the wicket. This time around, ball.
He wanted the ball to start in the air, Vivek Shelar, and finish where he wanted it. Murtuza Trankwala gets out for naught. It's 8 for 1.
डाल रहा है, बोले उनको ब्लफ कर रहा था. बढ़िया शॉट यहाँ पर. Outstanding shot, good timing. Khatpe
Again driven, nicely driven. What a way to well.
Given any interview, that's a beautiful shot, and this is exactly what I mean. You've got
That one inside out. Will get a boundary. Spoke too soon here. Again using his feet. Up in the air. There's a fielder. Yes! This time makes no mistake.
Bharat's face. Bowled well, deserves a wicket. Under pressure, debut match. Well done, young lad.
Yes, Om Bhosle walking off for 23. The pressure. Mindset of the batsman. In the air and taking the pressure. The pot was boiling. Reaps the rewards of just keeping things simple. Good line, good length. And it's Onkar Khatpe. That has a long scoring 21 of the 29 deliveries that he faced. CSK in a spot ball of 50 deliveries. We've seen the free hit me deliveries and another wicket. That extra bit of bounce, the debutant is having to play on the onside. Have a look at this. The top spinner. Yeah, easy pickings there. Dream debut. Saurav Singh departs for 3, 61 for 4.
And it looks like Jakob.
हवा में गेंद है और शॉट एक्स्ट्रा कवर पे. ये आउट. अभी लाड़ी है. ट्रिगर मोमेंट. उसके बाद शॉट गेंद थी. ओवर द कवर्स मारने की कोशिश थी और स्टिकर पे लगी वो बॉल सीधा फील्डर के हाथ में.
Rate of 215, but the best of 23. So yes, strike rate.
Touch with people, what's happening. They did very finely, looking for a boundary. Very poor fielding there. Fine.
Under the leadership of the young president, Mr. Rohit Dada Pawar, have proved to be extremely important. In the meanwhile, there goes another one.
स्ट्रेट साइड स्क्रीन के पास एक फील्डर रखा था, मिड ऑफ रखा था, जो कवर का फील्डर भी काफी सीधा रखा था. उसके लिए ये मिस टाइम हुआ. बढ़िया कैप्टनशिप, अच्छी गेंदबाजी. 7 रन बनाए सिर्फ 91 पे.
Saurabh Singh has been substituted. In comes Harshal Kate. As the impact, Sachin Bhosle continues. Again, straight up in the air. Ruturaj says mine, and even without the
इन पर इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर इम्पैक्ट नहीं किया और इम्पैक्ट किया है पेवलियन की तरफ. अच्छा सीधा कैच ऋतुराज गायकवाड़. ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ ने सब बताया. तो आज ज़्यादा गति दी नहीं उनको. हर्षल काटे कोई रन बनाया. इनका स्लो शॉट गेंद, फिर लेग कटर डाले उन्होंने. बहुत ही लेंथ, स्लोअर वन, हवा में गेंद है, बिल्कुल तीसरी विकेट इस ओवर की, स्लोअर वन थी।
Oh. What is the TV umpire going to say on that one? The softs. Yes, he's given it. Rightly so. The fingers were underneath. Hila to continue. Hitesh Walunj again goes straight up. Two fielders converging. Vivek Shelar calls. Rightly so. Takes the.
Or one. Back of the hand. Went for a shot. Top edge. Straight to the bowler. विवेक शेर गेंदबाजी ज्यादा गति नहीं डाली आज दी गेंदबाजों ने। हितेश वालन एक रन बना के
Punari Bappa, the bowling unit has looked completely different. In comes Pranay Singh. Yes, nicely connected this Pranay Singh. A couple of bounces.
बड़ा शॉट हवा में, गेंद है यहाँ पर, आउट हो सकते हैं। स्लोअर वन।
MPL that in an inning not a single six has been hit. Pranay Singh almost connected that one, but that wasn't good enough. Fielder there, nicely taken by Rohan Damle. And Vivek, that's what he's talking about. Let's go out there and finish it early. Will be the message now by Ruturaj Gaikwad. See, Walunj, none of them couldn't even reach the double figure mark. For the second time now, the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings have lost all their 10 wickets, 9 runs. Vivek Shelar 3 for 30. Kharat came in, mystery bowler, 4 overs 3 for 16. Vaksare and Damle were also economical. 10x, they don't have a chance to qualify, but still, a victory is a victory and they like to make sure.
Forced into going into a shell. Sachin Bhosle picking up those 4 wickets, then the...
Not a big target to defend, just 100. 52. Strike rate of 140. Therefore, of the proceedings here. Good little move away. Slip also in place. Have other plans. That one. Find his third man. 4. Hit that one nicely. And we'll get a 6.
Dispatched and dispatched in style. Picked the length of that really quickly. And that's his strong zone. The short arm jab.
Time of the legs. And the square leg fielder can't stop that. So,
Middle of the bat on that occasion, the angle was to try and cramp him. But leg stump line, never got ball.
yeah, this time plays it upishly to mid-on. Oh, direct hit. Enquiry by the CSK fielders. Yes, he has made it.
Does it work anymore? But here he has picked up the wicket. There's where Nimbalkar has played on.
Yeah, finally, the length that we've been speaking about. And Shripad Nimbalkar was looking to move away and carve a boundary through the offside. Has to depart for 15, 39 for 1. For it. What happens in a 5-over game? What happens in a 1-over game? Great effort out there. We'll get a 6. Ramakrishna Ghosh using that sort of pace. And that's how you find talent, because some of the selectors might have a headache to look to pick up from the kind of pool that you're creating, but that's a good headache to have. You have many more options. So I think it's been phenomenal to have that sort of vision. And like Manivya spoke about the team, the effort, and also
20 क्रिकेट है, थोड़ा सा बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश थी, हवा में गेंद है यहाँ पर और बढ़िया कैच। इनिंग रन बॉल मिस टाइम किया, बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश लॉन्ग ऑन पर और अच्छा कैच वहाँ पर खाटपे का, बेहतरीन कैच।
Goes dismissed for 35 of 35, 64 for 2. And at the Maharashtra Premier League, it's good to see that. And there we go, Suraj Shinde. Finally after 20.
फायदा उठाया सूरज शिंदे ने। इस साल रन बने नहीं, इनके बल्ले से आए नहीं हैं और ये
Performers at the Maharashtra Premier League. Looking for the reverse, connects well, boundary to Yashir Sagar to end the 14th over. for S. Punari Bappa are 91 for 2. Punari Bappa. Are they looking to finish it in this over? Looking for the sweep, connects well. Fielder will not be able to cut that out. 4 runs. Yes, comes down the track. Neat finish there. Over cow corner. Yash Sagar finishing it in style. A convincing victory for the Forest Punari Bappa. The home team, the home crowd is happy. Punari Bappa win by 8 wickets. What a clinical performance for the home team. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings to 99, picked up all their 10 wickets, and the Punari Bappa chased it with ease in 14.4 overs. Ramakrishna Ghosh 35, Kshirsagars 20.